Here I have Google Home Mini, and today I'm going to show you how to change Google's feature sensitivity on this device. So firstly, you'll have to open this Google Home app, then access your device here, tap on the gear icon to open its settings, and here you can find this option, Hey Google Sensitivity.
Sorry, I don't understand.
And here you can change it, you can set it to be least sensitive or more sensitive. You can change its sensitivity here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.